Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, dive.
Our first match, Dwarven Alliance, will unfortunately be eliminated. High Tide and Super Nerds both placing L4 Coral. High Tide already coming back, ready to place another one. They get it on. Super Nerds misses theirs. Blue side of the field almost have an L2, but an L4 might make it on as Unirex drops down on top of it. Alliance 1 with a firm lead coming out of Teleop 33-9. High Tide almost tipping over but getting an algae up into their net. On the other side of the field, Unirex grabbing a Coral and placing it up on L4. There they go. Our Robotics doing the same. Super Nerds placing L4, grabbing an algae and now putting it up into their net all in one swift motion. Increasing Red's lead on the Blue Alliance. Unirex raising up that Coral to the 4th level of their reef and positioning themselves to hopefully get it on. Our Robotics trying to do the same. They miss. 32-55, grabbing an algae, placing an L4 Coral, and then taking the algae over to the net. Once again, placing it in the net. 1 minute and 30 seconds to go, and Red is at 88 points. Blue is at 25. Unirex placing a Coral up on the 4th level of the Blue Reef. High Tide doing the same for the Red Alliance. There's now no more L4 Coral to place for Red. They placed 18 Coral so far in this match, and there still is a minute to go with a score 112-37. High Tide taking off an algae, placing an L3 Coral, now taking the algae over. Unirex grabbing a Coral, same with our Robotics, getting ready to place 32-55, placing an L3 Coral. The Super Nerds grabbing an algae from the ground and going over to their net. Unirex grabbing a Coral off the ground next to their processor. We'll see what they do with that. 80-15, not moving at the moment in the Red Alliance side. High Tide placing an algae up, 30 seconds to go. The score is 150-61. Alliance 1 in the lead over Alliance 5. Unirex maybe having some battery problems. They're jittering around, but they're back at it. They drop an L4 Coral down onto the ground. Colorful Panda going back over to their core station. Super Nerds is in the air for the Red Alliance. 10 seconds to go. Will High Tide get up? Yes, they do. 2 Red Robots on deep cages at 8 seconds remaining. Will Colorful Panda park? It looks like they're trying to without interfering with any other robots. 3, 2, 1. Official scores out in a moment. Gonna be the Red Alliance winning this match with a score of 189-81, a new event high score with 0 penalty points on the Red Alliance. Alliance 1 wins this match, meaning they'll move on to